Good morning, student. Welcome back to another video of chapter 2. And here is the topic conservation of land resource. Conservation of land resource. In previous video, we will discuss about common property resource, land used in selected country, land it is. Okay. So in this top video, we will discuss about conservation of land resources. Growing population and their even growing demand has led to a large-scale destruction of forest cover and arable land and has created a fear of losing their natural resource. Therefore, at present rate of degradation of land must be checked. Afforestation, land reclamation, regulated use of chemical pesticide and fertilizer and checks on the overgrazing are some of the common method used to conserve land resource. कंजर्वेशन ऑफ लैंड रिसोर्स का मतलब ये है कि हम जो हमारे पास लैंड रिसोर्सेज चाहे वो ग्रेजिंग ग्राउंड लैंड हो, चाहे वो हमारे लिए रहने की जगह हो, एफॉरेस्टेशन एरिया हो या फिर, तो इसमें हम कैसे उन चीज़ों को कंजर्व करें, उन सारे रिसोर्सेज को, ताकि हमारा जो लिविंग थिंग है वो एज पर सस्टेन रहे. ठीक है, तो एट प्रेजेंट रेट ऑफ डिग्रेडेशन ऑफ लैंड मस्ट बी चेक्ड. ये प्रेजेंट रेट में जो डिग्रेडेशन हो रहा है लैंड का उससे चेक करना, एफॉरेस्टेशन चेक करना, लैंड रिक्लेमेशन और रेगुलेटेड यूज ऑफ केमिकल पेस्टिसाइड एंड फर्टिलाइजर्स और चेक्स ऑन ओवर ग्रेजिंग सम ऑफ द कॉमन मेथड. ये सब एक कॉमन मेथड है जिसकी वजह से यूज टू कंजर्व लैंड रिसोर्सेज, जिसका इस्तेमाल करके हम जो लैंड रिसोर्सेज हैं उनको कंजर्व कर सकते हैं. ओके, ये एक छोटा सा टॉपिक था और एक एग्जांपल है लैंडस्लाइड का. ये लैंडस्लाइड, व्हाट इज लैंडस्लाइड? लैंडस्लाइड आर सिंपली डिफाइंड एज द मास मूवमेंट ऑफ रॉक, डेब्रिस or earth down on a slope. That is called landslide. They often take place in conjunction with earthquake, floods, and volcanoes. A prolonged spell of the rainfall can cause heavy landslide that can block the flow of river. Remember, a prolonged spell of rainfall can cause heavy landslide that can block the flow of river for quite some time. The formation of river blocks can cause havoc to the settlement downstream on its bursting. In the hilly terrain, landslide have been a major and widely spread natural disaster that often strike life and property and occupy a position of the major concern. इसका सबसे बेटर एग्जांपल है जो करंट सिचुएशन अभी कोलकाता के अंदर आई है. ठीक है, ये वही लैंडस्लाइड के इश्यूज है जिसकी वजह से क्या होता है कि एक जो रिवर लैंडस्लाइड है वो ब्लॉक हो जाता है, रिवर के फ्लो को ब्लॉक करता है. और जब रिवर का फ्लो ब्लॉक होता है, ये जो फॉर्मेशन है रिवर ब्लॉक्स का, इसकी वजह से एक हैवक ऑफ द सेटलमेंट डाउन स्ट्रीम ऑन द बर्स्टिंग, जिसकी वजह से एक बहुत बड़ा तूफान क्रिएट होता है, खास करके हिली टेरेन लैंडस्लाइड. ठीक है, जिसकी वजह से बहुत सारे बड़े नेचुरल डिजास्टर्स हो सकते हैं. एक केस स्टडी है पोंगी विलेजेस का जो आप पढ़ सकते हैं इसके अंदर. ठीक है, नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक सॉइल. इन दिस topic we will discuss about soils. What is soil? The thin layer of grainy substance covering the surface of the earth is called soil. Remember, the thin layer of grainy substance covering the surface of the earth is called soil. It is a closely like to landform. Determine the type of soil. Soil is made up of organic matter, minerals and weathered rocks found on the earth. This happens through the process of weathering. The right mix of mineral and organic matter make the soil fertile. Okay, and saw the figure soil profile and draw the figure and send them in the group soil profile. Okay, after video you will draw this figure 2.3 and 2.4 also. Okay, and draw them in the group, send them in the group. Soil profile: topsoil of the human and vegetation, subsoil with sand, silt and clay, weather raw material and parent rock. There is the deepest part of soil. Now we will discuss about, do you know it takes 100 of years to make just 1 centimeter of soil? Remember, it takes 100 of years to make just 1 centimeter of soil. Okay, now next topic is factor of soil formation. The major factor of soil formation are the nature of the parent rock and the climatic factor. Other factors are the topography, role of organic material, and time taken for the composition of soil formation. All these differ from the place to place. Okay, that is the factor of soil formation. I repeat once again, the major factor of soil formation are the nature of parent rock and climatic factor. You see the parent rock in figure 2.3. Other factors are the topography, role of organic material, and time taken for the composition of soil formation. All these differ from place to place. ये अलग अलग जगह पे different different होता है. ठीक है, soil formation. And for the better understanding factor affecting soil formation, you see the figure 2.4. Soil, climate, parent rock, relief, flora, fauna, and microorganism, and time. They all are the factor affecting of soil formations. Okay. Parent rock determine color, texture, chemical property, material content, permeability, relief, altitude and slope determine accumulation of soil, flora, fauna and microorganisms affect the rate of human formation, climate, temperature, rainfall influences, rate of weathers and human formation, and time, which is the factor affecting of soil formation, determination thickness of soil profile. Okay, these all are the factor affecting of soil formation. I hope you understand. Okay, in next video we will discuss about degradation of soil and conservation method. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any doubt, message me in the comment box or in my YouTube channel. Have a nice day. Goodbye.